Good morning. Happy Friday, my friends. We are going to get started and let's do our daily calendar routine. So we always start with days of the week. Do you remember the days of the week song that we have been listening to or singing? Ready? Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Good. Do you think you can sing that with me? Let's try that again. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Awesome! How many days are there in a week? Let's make sure and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 days in the week. Do you think you know what today is? Let's see, we talked about Thursday, which was yesterday. So if yesterday was Thursday, then today is Friday. Yep, today is Friday, and we always have fun on Friday, right? Awesome. Let's look at our months of the year. Ready? Months of the year song. All right. So we start with, what month do we start with when we sing our months of the year? January. Very good. Let's sing it together. Ready? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Good job. Awesome. How many months are there in the year of, how many months are there in the year? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many months? 12. We counted 12. Very good. Let's look at our daily calendar. So we got to look at the day of the week, right? So what is today? Remember our song, Days of the Week? There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's, what week is missing? What day is missing? Friday. If you said Friday, absolutely, you are correct. Today is Friday. So if today is Friday, then what was yesterday? What was yesterday? Let's take a look. You are correct. Yesterday was Thursday, right? Because we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, then Friday. Okay, so today is Friday, yesterday was Thursday, tomorrow will be, what will tomorrow be? What's this day right here? Can you read it? Saturday, right? Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Good job. So today is Friday. Yesterday was Thursday. Tomorrow will be Saturday. Very, very good. Excellent. Okay, so let's take a look at our calendar, like the actual month. What month are we in? We are in the month of September. Perfect. Good job. So how many days have we been in the month of September? So for every day, I added an apple. Okay, so let's see, how many days have we been in the month? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So today is, so say that with me. Today is Thursday, September 11th, 2020. So today is the 11th, and if you notice, it's Friday, September 11th, 2020. 20. Very good. What will tomorrow be? What number will it be? It'll be the 12th. Awesome. Good job. So we have been in school. We started school here. So let's count how many days we've been in school. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've been in school for 4 days. Good. And that leads me to the next slide. How many days? What did we just say? How many days have we been in school? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I dragged this little red slide to show that we've been in school for 4 days. And then I added another counter to our 10 frame. And so boys and girls, this is a 10 frame. And a 10 frame is one way that we can represent a number. So we are going to practice working on that by representing how many days we've been in school. So how many days does the 10 frame tell us we've been in school? You can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 4 days. Good. And our number of the day is the number, drumroll. What number? The number 4. Yes, today is the number of the day is the number 4. So we're going to find it on the number line, and then we're going to represent it in the 10 frame. We're not going to worry about number bonds yet. And then we're going to look at what number comes before number 4 and what number comes after number 4. But first, let's look at our number line. How do we use a number line? We've been talking about that this week. How do we find the number 4 in the number line? That's right, we start at 0 and we count to number 4. And then we'll drag this dot. So let's count. Ready? Starting at 0, we always start at 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll move our dot right there to number 4. See? Just like that. That's how we represent it on a number line. We color in or we drag a dot to show it on the number line. Very good. And we also did it in our 10 frame, right? So how many apples do we have? If our number of the day, which I forgot to change this to 4 up here, so ignore the 3. That's my mistake. But how many days, if we're doing the number 4, how many apples do we need to put in our 10 frame? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Good. How many more apples do we need to make 10? So if this is a 10 frame, and a 10 frame has 10 squares, how many more do we need to make 10? We can count to figure that out. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we need 6 more apples to make 10. Good. All right, now we're going to look at what number comes before, what number comes after the number 4, okay? So we can use a number line to help us. So find the number 4 in the number line, and can you point to it? Yep, there it is, because we put that yellow dot on it. So we're going to look at what number comes before. So that means what number comes in front of, right in front of it. So that means we're going to the left, which is this way. So what number comes in front of the number 4? Ding, 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 ding. We got a winner. The number 3. So 3. So 3 comes before, and then we have 4. What number comes after the number 4? We've been talking about numbers, right? So what number is this? And if you're not sure, we can count. Remember, we start at 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the number 5 comes after the number 4. So we have 3 that comes in front of or before the number 4. The number 5 comes after. Good job. That is our number of the day. What is the number of the day? What is this number? The number 4. Great, let's look at the weather. Take a moment to run outside and check out the weather. What does it look like outside? We're going to graph it. And we use this as a graph. And so we use graphs to show data. And data is another word for information. So we're trying to gather some information about the weather. And from my gatherings, what I observed, what I saw with my eyes when I looked outside, was that we had another cloudy day. So let's see, how many sunny days have we had this week? We had one. And how many cloudy days have we had this week? 1, 2, 3. So which one has more? So which days have more days? The sunny or the cloudy? That's right, cloudy. We have had more cloudy days than sunny days, and we've had less sunny days than cloudy days. Good job. All right, that's it for our calendar. I hope that you have a fabulous Friday today. We are going to spend some time writing. We're going to reflect on how our first week of virtual school has gone. So when we meet today, we're going to write and illustrate, and we're going to practice working on labeling our pictures, and we're going to I just want to know. I want you to tell me how your week has been. Okay? All right. I hope you have a great day, guys. See you later.